Hello, good evening, and welcome to remote control for easy worship or for your whole desktop. This is actually for your whole desktop. Now, the first thing first, you go to your browser. And for me, I'm using Chrome here. You go to your browser. So in Chrome, you go to the search bar, just like what you've seen here. The search bar. You search for any DeX for PC. Any DeX for PC. When you search for any DeX for PC, you come here and you see this first one here, remote DeX software. Yes, you enter it, you wait for it to load. You wait for it, and then you see a screen like this. Now you perform the security verification. Just as you've seen here. This is very simple. Well, this allows you to control, just as I've said, this allows you to control your system from your phone. Control your entire system from your phone. So now when you enter here, you see the download now button. You press download now, and it's showing in your download here around this top ports here. You see, yes, at this point, yes, that's where you see your downloads. You download it. It doesn't take time. You download it. After downloading it, when you download it, you install it. It's either you check in your, now you come back here. Let's go to our downloads. You come to your downloads folder. Here over here at the beginning, you see any DeX. So you install it. It will show you this screen. Now you come to your phone, you go to your Play Store. I don't know if iOS do. So in your Play Store, you search for any DeX for Android. There, over there it is. You press install. It doesn't take more than highest 3 minutes. That's if your network is not strong. If your network is fast enough, a minute is enough, or less than a minute. You install it. Now, when doing this, make sure that you have connected your phone's hotspot to your system's Wi-Fi. Without the connection, it will not work. Now, after installing it, remember, without connecting your phone to your hotspot, it will not work. After installing it now, you go back to your system. But let's just run through the app. So let me open it, and you will see some things inside. Yeah, from here you go to any DeX. There is it. You can see the icon, any DeX. So you just check through. These are little tutorials on how the app looks like. Here, this is your address. Now explain this address. On your system you see an address, on your phone you see an address. So if this can also be used to, it can be used to connect both two phones. But here now, this address that is written on your system, you can see it. You can see this address. This is what, when you have connected your hotspot, this is what you will now use to connect your phone and your laptop. So you copy this address the way it is on your system, you paste it on your phone, just like I'll show you here. You paste it on your phone. You can see now, this is my phone screen. 1 and give space 309, give space 673, give space 760, and then you press this arrow button there. But here you see not connected. Now sometimes it will not connect. Why? Because it has not been properly set up. Now you go through the setup on your phone. Here you make sure you go through the setup and check whatever you need to check. It's just simple permissions that you give on the screen. Yes, you display over other apps. You just go through the setup. These are simple things. You make sure you give it. Yeah, you check the settings. Make sure it's set to the highest possible quality so that it won't lag. highest possible quality so that it won't lag. Now after doing that, when you are sure, it will now bring out an address on your phone too. You can see an address. This is my address, so it's using your address. Now you can put back that address for the system, and when you put back the address, now you can see invite here. This is the address. Make sure your hotspot is connected or it won't work. Now AnyDex is a software that allows you to connect your phone to your laptop and you use your phone as a remote control. I'm going to show you through some skills on how I connect or how I use my phone as remote control. Now you can see here I put the address and then I press that arrow button. Now it's trying to connect to my system. It's trying to connect to my system. My system has not received the receiver. It has not received yet. It's still. Now you can see it has received a network. You allow it through your firewall. Now you see, you have seen the screen here. You just press accept. You press accept. Now you can see it's connecting here. Yes, connected. Now you can see the screen. The laptop screen is on my phone, and you see the mouse there. I can control the mouse however I want. This small double box here, or this thing, use it as a menu. Use it as a menu. You can see this is the screen. The screen that you have on the laptop is on my phone now, and see I'm connecting it, I'm operating it through my phone now. If you can see now, as I move, the mouse moves with me too. You can see it is entirely, everything now that is happening on the laptop screen is entirely from my phone. It is very fast, it's very safe, it's very reliable. AnyDex, very fast and safe and reliable when you need to use your phone as a remote control for your laptop. When you need to use your phone, you can see I can even change scriptures, even though it's looking small, but I can still change scriptures because I can see it. Yes, it is that good. It lets you control your entire desktop, and this is not just limited to Easy Worship. Your entire desktop. Yes, your entire desktop. It is that good. It is so good. Yeah, it is very, very safe. It is very, very reliable. AnyDex. Yeah. Thank you for staying thus far. I hope that this helps you. I hope that you use it very well. Yes, I hope that it helps you a lot. Thank you for staying true to the channel. Thank you.